Hello everybody, welcome back to our 30% Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable mirrors auto fold on your MG. So, I am in AMG S5 EV right now, and if you want to simply just go over and enable or disable it, go to the car option, go to convenience, and here you have mirrors auto fold option. Now, if you're right here, you need to scroll a bit down. I was already at the bottom for no reason, but here we have it. Now, if we want to disable it, we just tap here, and if we want to enable it, we just tap here. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.